Hey, what's going on, guys? Good morning, good morning. I know it's been a little bit while since I posted a video on F350 and my power strokes. Today I'm doing a diff cover upgrade. This is a full aluminum here. Whoa! Full aluminum. Don't worry about that. I mean, this is pretty heavy duty. I was surprised how robust and thick this is. I mean, it's got some weight to it. It's pretty cool. And it's got a drain plug, the most important thing. Has a nice drain plug on it. I've been looking at these covers for a while now. From talking to the gentleman, this is going to take a quart over what the stock does. I don't know if a quart of oil, of gear oil, is going to make a difference in temperature. I'm pretty sure it's the aluminum that's going to make a huge difference with it cooling faster. This one was 79 bucks with a gasket. 79 bucks. I see some up there for 200 bucks. They're more square. They probably hold 2 quarts over stock. Didn't want to invest that kind of money because I don't know if it's going to make a huge difference or not. So I'm going to go with this one. But I'm going to be installing it. Going to be taking the old one off. I'll show you the old one. What I do like about it is how robust and heavy duty it is. I mean, compared to the tin one or metal, pop metal, whatever they use on a stock one. Yeah, this is a hell of a much beefier cover than the stock. But let me get to it. Also, I'm going to be going with a full synthetic Valvoline here. For that, I got 6 quarts. It holds about 3 3/4, almost 4 quarts. So I should be using 5, but I got 6 just in case the gentleman was wrong, because I don't want to run out to the parts store. I could always return it. But yeah, let's get to it. I have my impact here. Going to take the old one off and continue the video. All right, so here I am underneath my truck, getting ready to take my stock cover off. Have my impact. Have a shitty drain pan because I have kids, and if you got goddamn kids, you know what I'm talking about, that use my shop to fix their cars. They don't put shit back. I can't find shit. That shit's going to come to an end. I'm getting sick of that shit. But anyway, I'm going to take this off. I'm using a 13 millimeter. Pop these bolts out and inspect the gears and inside and everything, and we'll move on with the video. All right, so I got my old cover off. I inspected everything. What I did notice is that my old gear oil was a little milky, not a lot, but it wasn't dark like it was used, but it was a little bit more milky, like somehow water seeped in. I don't know if it came in from the vent tube that I have hanging down low for the axle. I might have to trim that, I'm not sure, and do a little bit more inspecting on that. But I'll show you the difference between the two valve covers, not valve covers, the diff covers. I'm going to take the camera inside. I have the old one that cleaned up, and so we can compare them. All right, so here I am back in my shop. Got the two of them out, as you could see. The stock one's really thin. This is really beefy. I was surprised when I got this in the mail. It was really heavy duty. And as you could see, the height on them. So the technician, he might be right on the money. It might hold just a quart over stock, but just in case it don't, I got 6 quarts just in case. But here's a top view, and so the aftermarket one, I would say, it's got a good 2 inches on the stock, so definitely more capacity. So we'll see how it goes. We'll install it, see how it goes. I mean, the proper thing would have been done is taking some temperature readings when I run this truck with a full load. But too late now. I already pulled the covers. Here's my old oil. And as you could see, well, now it just looks a little old, you know, worn, used, but I don't know. I could definitely tell there's some water in the actual oil, some moisture, something got in there. but I'm just going to have to inspect it more and find out what's going on. But yeah, let me get to, excuse me, get to installing the new cover, cleaning off the old gasket, and showing you the finished product on this aftermarket one. And there's another view. All right, I'll continue the video when I'm done installing. Here I am on the driver's side on the rear axle. There's my access point right there. And all I'm using it is just a extension to open that plug up, and I'm gonna fill it in with gear oil and see what it takes, and I'll let you know how much over stock capacity it took. They told me a quart, but we'll see, and I'll continue the video and I'll show you the finished product. All right, so here you go. Here's the finished product, what it looks like. I just got done putting fluid in, and it is exactly 1 quart over stock. Not a penny more, just a quart. You know, if you go with the more expensive diff covers, you know, the ones for $200, and then, you know, you're going to be probably two quarts or more over. But yeah, here it goes. Looks good. I'll give you a side view. It looks shiny. I'm pretty sure it'll be dirty in a few days, but yeah. Hopefully you enjoy the video. Any questions, comments, leave them down below, and I'll get back to you. See you on the next video. See ya.